Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So we're currently building the new workshop, and because of COVID and all sorts of things, we've gone for a steel frame. So this video is probably good for anyone who's considering building a steel frame shed, garage or workshop. One of the things that I was pretty impressed with, that I had no idea what they were, was this right here. So with these steel beams, they need to be tensioned, and you get these straps to actually tension them. And it wasn't until after we put them all in that we found out what this device is. And when I used it for the first time, I was quite impressed, and I thought I'd do a little video to show you. So this is Pryda, P-R-Y-D-A, Pryda bracket, and I'm going to quickly install one and show you how it works. So you can see the tension on these. They've got a lot to be desired. Alright, so let's install a couple. Now I like to install them in this section here, which is called the top hat, mainly because the screw going through will be sort of protected. So just drill a hole, I think it's like a 7 or 8. Come on. So my drill needs tightening, and I only got one hand. So you can see how loose they are by how much they're kind of banging around. Alright, so what we do now is we come from the back with the bracket on, come from the front with the screw, or the bolt. Very hard to do this with one hand. And tighten. Put this one over here. So one of the few things that actually do exactly what they're meant to do. You can buy these from the hardware. Pack of 6 is about $14 at the moment. Okay, now this hex head here is the same as your roofing screws, which is I think 5/16. Yeah, 5/16. Alright, let's see if we can do this with one hand. Okay. Holding this down. That one's just nipped up. Okay, so let's try it. So I'm using this impact driver here. I was using a 1/2-inch pneumatic driver, and it was too much to actually break them. So I'd stick with this one here. Okay, give that a test. That's better. Much better. No movement. So I've tightened that one up all the way. That's just because there's just too much movement in that. Now, look at that, tight. Okay, so they're the Pryda brackets. Really good, really good. You just use the same hex screw as the roofing screws. And for steel frame or strengthening anything, yeah, it's really good. You can even use this bracing for gates and things. If you're doing locks on gates and you've got problems, you can actually strengthen the gate up using this type of strap, and then a couple of these Pryda brackets, get it real nice and tight. Okay, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching.